Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're taking a look at Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. We'll cover the recent news and analyze the charts to find potential trading opportunities. According to recent reports, Tesla's Q1 earnings missed expectations, but Elon Musk remains bullish on Robotaxis. We also saw President Trump softening his stance on China tariffs, which caused markets to jump, including Tesla. Additionally, Musk mentioned stepping away from his role at Doge to focus more on Tesla. Let's see how these events are reflected in the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a volatile period over the last several months. The stock faced a significant drop in March 2025, plummeting to around the 220 level, before recovering somewhat. This could indicate a potential support level around 220. However, the recent surge in early April, followed by a sharp decline, suggests strong resistance around the 280 level. This area seems to be a ceiling the stock struggled to break through. The past few days show some upward movement. Let's zoom in to the recent candles. We can see that after the large bullish candle today, Tesla closed at 237.97, a bullish sign. Let's consider the news. Trump's softening stance on tariffs may be providing some tailwind, but earnings miss may be holding Tesla down still. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at intraday price action. We'll narrow the view to the last week to get a more granular view. On the 1-hour chart, we see significant volatility. There's a clear resistance around the 230 level, with the price consolidating around this area. The recent price action shows that Tesla rose and consolidated around the 230 price level in the past 2 days. If the price breaks above this resistance, we could see a further push towards the 240 level. However, failure to do so could cause it to fall lower. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart for a very short-term perspective. The 15-minute chart confirms the consolidation pattern near the 230 level, but the past few hours show a significant upwards push. This confirms the short-term bullish sentiment. However, the short time frame makes this very prone to swings and volatility. To recap, key price levels to watch are the support around 220 and resistance near 230. A break above 230 could lead to a test of 240 and potentially higher, driven by positive news flow and continued bullish sentiment. However, if the stock fails to break above 230 and falls below 220, we could see a retest of the lows from March. Monitor the news related to Trump's tariffs and Musk's plans for Tesla, as these could be major catalysts. The upcoming earnings reports will be a key factor to watch. Overall, the short term shows some bullish action, but there's still considerable resistance to break. Remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.